بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Honorable Governor Sindh, Honorable Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Naveed Qamar, Minister of Commerce, Mr. Zubair Modiwala, Head of TDAP, Federal Ministers, Minister of States, advisors, government officials, and of course, our very honored guests from abroad. I'm so happy to learn that about 400 delegates are visiting Pakistan on this occasion from 60 countries. Now, this is a remarkable achievement, and that shows without any ray of doubt that Pakistan, alhamdulillah, is a destination for our foreign guests, buyers, traders, to visit Pakistan, enjoy Pakistan's culture. City of Karachi, gateway to Pakistan, our mountains where we have pristine beauty. All this put together, you are combining your business with pleasure, and we all welcome you wholeheartedly. Ladies and gentlemen, textile has been the backbone of our, not only our industry, but our exports. Of course, along with leather. And I really deeply commend and appreciate our industrialists sitting here, exporters, and experts who have contributed immensely in promoting Pakistan's textile and leather exports. Despite various challenges on the way. Of course, there have been dips at points in time, but here we are. You are very robust, very futuristic, and extremely hard-working entrepreneurs that has gradually built Pakistan's export sector. And of course, your quality of export is second to none. World-class companies import from Pakistan knitwears, garments, textile, etc. And from a very conventional setup back in early 50s and 60s, today you have converted this into a very transformed industry with airjet looms, and ginning and spinning and weaving, and beautiful artwork. Minister Naveed Qamar has done a commendable job along with his team. Secretary, Commerce, and Motiwala was a friend of mine, a very energetic entrepreneur, and of course, very knowledgeable person. I have high regards for him. During my last visit to Karachi, I did mention this to him that please come forward and contribute your ideas in nation building efforts. I'm sure budget is just around the corner, and I'm going to hold pre-budget meetings next week. Honorable Finance Minister was supposed to come with me, but he is slightly indisposed and he could not fly. I have with me Dr. Aisha Pasha, our Special Assistant and Minister of State, and Dr. Tariq Bajwa, a very learned person, but he has to be flexible to make our exports flexible and promote our exports. That's extremely important. He's very knowledgeable, but then, you have to, ease your pocket in the first place to get more dollars and more foreign exchange. Textile has